Today we're going to see if the Corvette's going to leak any oil. It made a little bit of noise when it started up, but it's sounding really good right now. I'll let it warm up, take it to work. Well, I am excited. We just got a package today. I'm not excited about what was in the package. I'm excited about the box that the stuff came in, because it's slightly bigger than the box I have the Corvette parts in. So I'm going to transfer all that stuff to this box, and then it won't be sticking out like this. That's nice, and I can actually put the interior parts that need to be put in into the smaller box. And then there's all the engine parts that I can put into the smaller box, all the interior parts into the bigger box. I got it all in the boxes. Now I just need to figure out something to do for the rest of the night. I'm thinking about going inside, relaxing, watching some TV. What do you guys think? Is that a good use of my time when it's cold outside and I don't have anything to do? Or should I try and do something productive, even though I can't think of anything productive to do? There is one thing that I can do. Be right back. My son got a bike last year for his birthday. I think it was for his birthday. It was like a BMX bike, and we got it on Amazon, and it was like really cheap. I was like, okay, it's not gonna last, I know that. And he barely, I won't say he barely rode it, but like the amount of riding that he did definitely doesn't, it wasn't built well, is what I'm saying. So I want to do another bike for him for his birthday, which is March 15th. I don't have a lot of time to do it, but what I do have is I have my bike. I don't ride my bike anymore, and I was thinking instead of buying a new bike, I could rebuild this one and give it to him. So I just brought my bike in. This is a 2009-8 Diamondback Response. I actually rebuilt this once before. We're going to take pretty much everything off of it except for the frame, and that's probably what I'll end up doing tonight, is tearing down this frame and then getting the wire wheel out and wire wheeling the frame, and then get it powder coated. I don't necessarily want to put a bunch of money into it, but I want him to have a bike that he can ride, and he's getting bigger now. The BMX bike that he's riding doesn't really fit him anymore. I think this will be a good bike for him. I've wire wheeled the heck out of this frame. This is about as far as I can get with the wire wheels that I have. I don't know how prepped the surface needs to be for powder coat, but I did some research and it's showing just sandblast the thing. 180 grit's probably fine. So I'm just gonna have the dude sandblast what he can. I'm tired, it's 4 AM. I'm gonna go to bed. Thanks for watching, thanks for liking, thanks for commenting. See you guys tomorrow.